Welcome to carperformance.se. I'm gonna show you our latest Uconnect Android V4. The V4 is the latest system. It's much faster, it got more RAM, more internal storage, and also updated Android version. We're gonna do a setup and installation video of this system also. Now we're on a 2070 RAM. It will work basically from 2013 to 2017 for all cars that has this Uconnect 3C made by Harman. So it will not work in Journey, the early Chargers and the 300C, because that's a different system. And we're gonna show here to switch to Android. You just press the screen anywhere for 3 seconds. This is the home screen of the Android system. The Android system also got 2 extra video inputs. So if you want to connect a front camera and a cargo camera, we're gonna switch first to the first input. We don't have anything connected to it, that's why it says no signal, but it's good for parking. If you have a front camera here, you put in the reverse, then you go back to drive, it will still show the front camera, then you can go to reverse again and camera, and that can be on at all speeds at any time. And when we press again, you're gonna show the second input. So if you're not planning to use any, you just don't connect the camera extra cables for the box. Then you will switch directly. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna switch directly to just from the factory system to the Android system, like this. We got Android, and we press again, we got factory screen. We also added this switch if you want to switch faster. So you can have the Android, the factory radio here, and be in the Android mode. But if you want the Android sound in the car speaker, we have added the sound to aux channel instead of the Bluetooth now. So now it's only the aux. You just press media, go to aux, connect this aux dummy to the aux port of the car, and this car is in the middle console. I'm gonna show you here. Just connect that like that. You can have that at all times. Then you just, now we're switching with this external. This is the home screen of the Android system. If you want to use internet-based apps, you need of course a hotspot. Either you share your phone as hotspot, or you can also buy this. This can be used worldwide. It's a mobile hotspot with a USB port. You just insert here a SIM card with a data plan. Connect this, route it to the Wi-Fi. And then as soon as you start the car, it will automatically connect to that, so you don't have to turn on and off your phone's hotspot. And you can download any apps that you want. You download YouTube, you have here App Store. You can download all apps that you want. And this is also good for the auto agent, the EasyLink, if you want to have that in your system. We recommend that you install Car Launcher Pro app from Play Store as you launch. We're going to show that how that looks like. But here you can see, you can select YouTube. You can just take a video here, and now you will have the sound. You can adjust the sound with the normal volume button. So it's, you can have example for, you can have a tuning radio, listen to a radio, and you can have the Google Maps. You can take on Bandit here, and then you can have Google Maps, and with the map say the direction, it will mute the tuning radio, or if you're watching YouTube or Netflix or HBO or whatever you're watching. Gonna see if it loads here. So now you can see we have that. We can select the Google Maps. You can see here how it navigation settings.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps. This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
So you can have this just like a normal smartphone. You can download all the apps that you want. We're gonna do a demonstration of how to set up the system the first time. And we're gonna show you here just briefly the car launcher. It will look like this. Here you can have all your apps. This app costs like $2. Then you can have here, you can select what media control you want to control. Now we want to control the tuning radio. Then you will have here how fast you're driving, how long you're driving since the car started. You got all different, and this is really good as you can have this and that as your screensaver at night, so it don't get too bright. It will show the speed that you're driving, and you can set up the system how you want. You can select all the apps that you want down there. We got the auto agent there if you want that, and here you also have the speed you're driving, how long you're driving since the car started. So it's really good. And the system also got one external speaker that can be connected. That is if you want to have the factory radio and still be in Android mode. If you have the Google Maps running, you want to have the voice direction and still have the factory radio. Then the voice will go out of the external speaker. If you're only planning to be in the Android, then you don't need the external speaker. So and then to switch back, just press here. So thank you for watching.